Getting paid shouldn't be complicated. In manufacturing and distribution, cash flow is everything. Syspro's Payment Gateway delivers real-time payment processing, automated accounts receivable reconciliation, and self-service payments, built natively into your ERP. Your customers pay faster. Your team does less manual work, and your working capital improves from day one. Most businesses face the same problems: cash flow gaps caused by slow collections and manual follow-up, financial risk from fraud exposure, reconciliation processes that simply don't scale as transaction volumes grow, poor accounts receivable data visibility, and manual payment processes that break down as your transaction volumes grow. If any of that sounds familiar, the Payment Gateway was built to solve it. The Gateway gives your customers a frictionless way to reserve funds or pay invoices via a secure link or directly from the supply chain portal. The moment a payment confirms, it posts to accounts receivable automatically. No data entry, no manual matching. And because card data never enters Syspro, your business is PCI-DSS compliant by design. Your IT team carries none of the security burden. Let's look at the Payment Gateway. Digital payments in Syspro can be initiated from two places: directly from sales order entry at the point of invoicing, or from accounts receivable as part of a payment run. Let's look at sales order entry first. When an invoice is posted through Syspro Sales Order module, the terms code on the order determines whether digital payment is available. If it is, you get two options. You can process payment immediately, which is useful when the customer is on the phone or standing at your counter. Or you can send the payment request, which is what we'll do today. Sending a request embeds a payment link directly into the invoice. The customer receives it by email, clicks the link, and lands on the gateway to pay at their convenience. Whichever route you take, everything from that point forward looks and works the same. On the gateway, the customer enters their contact details and selects a payment method. If they've paid before and saved their card details, it's ready to select. First-time users enter the card details here. Worth noting, Syspro never stores card data that's managed entirely by PCI-compliant payment processor, so your customer's payment information stays secure. Once payment is submitted, the corresponding invoice balance in Syspro is automatically updated. No manual entry, no lag. The same capability extends to accounts receivable, a new payment type in your existing AR payment run program. Lets operators settle a customer invoice or full outstanding account balance across multiple invoices in a single transaction. The operator has the same two options: send a payment request for the customer to action later or process payment immediately using the gateway. Selecting Pay Now opens the gateway. Same process, same experience. We've introduced a new reconciliation method for the gateway called Batch Settlement, and to support it, a new setup option: Batch Settlement of Payment Transaction. We've also added reservation functionality to AR invoice terms as part of digital payments. This gives you control over when funds are reserved either at sales order entry or later when you're ready to invoice. Let's look at the reservation process. When a sales order is created and the customer's terms code is flagged for digital payments, specifically reservations, you'll see two options: reserve now, or send a reservation request to the customer so they can authorize payment themselves. If you choose to send a request, a link is embedded in their order acknowledgement. When the customer receives the email, they click on the link, land on the gateway, and authorize the reservation directly. For this demo, I'll execute the reservation directly. The typical scenario when you have the customer's card details on hand, whether they're on the phone or in front of you. I've also used the foreign currency customer to show you that the gateway handles multi-currency transactions without any friction. Once you select Reserve, you will be directed to the gateway. The experience is consistent with what you would see for a standard invoice payment. You'll enter the customer's contact details first. If card details were saved previously, they'll be available for selection. If not, you enter them here. Once funds are reserved successfully, the corresponding sales order in Syspro is updated automatically. And if the order was previously suspended due to a failed credit check, the operator can release it from suspense at this point. When the order is shipped and invoiced, the reserved funds are consumed. In this example, you'll notice the customer balance isn't updated automatically because we have batch settlement switched on, meaning that the payments are processed through the gateway. But Syspro doesn't automatically reconcile them against the customer account. Instead, they're added to a list of outstanding batch settlement transactions. At a time that suits the operator, they open the batch settlement program in Syspro and compare the transaction list with the physical bank statement. When a transaction is matched, the operator will select it for settlement. The payment is only posted in Syspro at that point, so the customer's outstanding balance decreases when the batch is settled, not when the card was charged. This gives your team full control over when the reconciliation happens. As you can see here, once the batch is settled, the payment is allocated and the customer's balance reduces accordingly. The results speak for themselves. Customers get a self-service payment experience that's fast and intuitive. Customer payments reconcile automatically against invoices. And with support from multiple processors and currencies, your business can scale without adding overhead. Smarter, faster, build for your industry.